In this video, we will be discussing the Procolored F13 Pro Panda DTF printer, a robust A3 transfer printing machine designed for professionals and small businesses alike. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this printer in the description below for the best price. The F13 Pro is a significant upgrade over its predecessor, offering dual XP600 print heads that enable faster, high-quality printing without frequent interruptions. Its industrial-grade printing capability makes it perfect for high-volume production and detailed graphics. One of the standout features of this printer is its white ink circulation system. Unlike conventional printers, the F13 Pro uses a siphon system that ensures uniform mixing of the white ink while preventing clogging or stagnation. This not only reduces maintenance requirements but also ensures consistently crisp prints every time. The semi-automatic cleaning system adds another layer of convenience, keeping the print heads moist during standby and avoiding issues caused by dryness. This means fewer delays and more reliable production, even for extended print runs. Another key highlight is the dual print head array, capable of producing prints at a maximum resolution of 2800 by 1400 dpi. Coupled with a CCMMYK plus 6W color configuration, this setup delivers vibrant colors, sharp details, and excellent saturation. The simultaneous operation of two print heads essentially doubles printing speed compared to traditional single-head printers, allowing you to print an A3 sheet in just 3 to 4 minutes. For businesses aiming to boost productivity, this is a game changer. The printer's design also focuses on efficiency and cost savings. Its rolling film mechanism minimizes film waste, allowing continuous printing without frequent replacements. The precision cutter ensures each print is perfectly sized, which is ideal for both small-scale customization and bulk production. Despite all these features, the printer remains user-friendly and supports Windows 7, 10, and 11, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Of course, no machine is without some limitations. While the F13 Pro is highly efficient, initial setup may take some time for those new to DTF printing. Additionally, its large size requires a dedicated workspace. However, for businesses looking for reliability, speed, and quality, these minor considerations are far outweighed by the benefits. With a 6-month warranty on print heads and a full-year warranty on other components, along with responsive customer service, the Procolored F13 Pro Panda DTF printer stands out as a dependable, high-performance choice for any transfer printing needs.